Hi, my name is Louise, and I just signed up for a consultant with my daughter with LBRI, and I just got the ultimate starter kit in the mail this week, and we're going to open it up in front of you, and we're going to show you what is all inside of it. Open and laid out on the table. I'm going to go through what is in this kit. On this side we have all of the business materials that we need to go to a party. We have the brochures, we have the cards that will help you to go through the products with everybody. There's hostess packages that are here so that when we go, the hostess gets the package. Two totes that come with the kit, because this one comes with the one starter kit, this comes with this other starter kit, the second vanilla starter kit. Then all of these products right here are for skin and face care. They have here a body wash. They have, this is the gentle cleanser. Then there's a freshener for gentle, there's a freshener for deep pores, there's a body butter that's in a very big container here, it's good for the skin. So there's all these products here. Then there's samples that came, samples of these same products. Then we've got makeup samples and more samples. These are the anti-aging products. This one is the Maxifirm. This is also the neck firming cream, and then there's one for eyes so that you would learn how to use these. And then this area right here is the makeup. Got foundation, powders, there's lipstick and gloss. And then this comes with the kit so that you can go and show everybody the different foundations, powders, and the eyeshadows and the blush. Application brushes for all the different things that you would want to be doing. If you were going to do a simple party and do makeup for somebody. And then there's all these brushes, spatulas, application brushes, mascara brushes. They're all individualized so that